In this video, you'll learn how to rename a shipping method based on the customer's shipping country. In this example, we'll rename standard shipping to free shipping for customers in the United States. For all other countries, it will continue to appear as standard shipping. Let's get started. At the top of the page, you'll find the rule name field. While it's optional, giving your rule a descriptive name makes it much easier to identify later. Um, I'll enter rename standard shipping for USA. Next is the shipping method section. Here you can either search for a shipping method using the search bar and select it from the results, or simply choose one of your store's available shipping methods displayed below. For this example, I'll select standard shipping. Now let's configure the new display name. Click Add Renaming. In the Rename To field, enter free shipping. This means customers who match our condition will see free shipping instead of standard shipping during checkout. Next, scroll down to the conditions section. This is where you decide when the rule should apply. You'll notice three condition categories. General rules include customer, cart, location, and discount related conditions. Product-based rules let you create rules based on products, collections, or product tags. Advanced and custom rules allow you to use cart attributes, address details, and other custom checkout data. For this example, we'll use general rules, click Add Condition, select Shipping Country, choose the operator is one of, then select United States. You'll also see the condition match type. Choose all conditions must pass if every condition should be true before the rule applies, or choose any condition can match if you want the rule to work when at least one condition is met. Since we're using only one condition, either option works. Now click Save. Let's test the rule. When the shipping country is set to the United States, the shipping method is displayed as free shipping. When the shipping country is changed to any other country, it automatically appears as standard shipping. And that's it. You've successfully renamed a shipping method based on the customer's shipping country using Nex Reorder.